I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Device model and Android version. This matters because Kingroot behaves differently per build. Once done, put the phone on stable Wi-Fi, turn off VPN and mobile data, and keep battery above 20%. Next, enable USB debugging so your PC or app can communicate. Drivers must be installed if you plan to connect via USB. Do these first steps deliberately, because a wrong network or missing driver is often why the Kingroot network error appears in the first place. Now you tackle the network path. Clear Kingroot data and cache, then force stop and reopen. The app often caches bad network settings. Make sure your Wi-Fi uses reliable DNS, set to 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1 in Wi-Fi advanced options, and reboot the router if connections lag. If running Kingroot on a PC bridge, run the program as administrator and permit it through the firewall. These steps address name resolution and permission blocks that commonly trigger the network error. To finish, attempt rooting and monitor any on-screen logs for connection or timeout messages. That tells you whether it's DNS, handshake, or server issues. If the current Kingroot build still fails, try a known stable older APK. Developers sometimes change endpoints. Make sure to reboot the phone between attempts. If nothing works, switch to an alternative rooting method or restore from a clean backup. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get repeated timeouts, test another network. Some ISPs or hotspots block the handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.